Welcome to Fabby John's, the joy of decorating. Tips and tricks for a magazine-worthy interior. First, put your ideas into pictures. Make a mood board to visualize your color scheme. Make use of reference sheets. Use a color wheel to help you choose a color scheme because it shows the relationships between colors. Draw inspiration from your arts. Choose a piece that you adore. Then use its colors and textures to inspire your interior design. Don't use too many colors. Choose no more than 3 primary colors for your color scheme. Establish and adhere to rules. Choose a general color palette for the entire house, but feel free to apply it in a variety of ways in each space. The 60-30-10 guidelines states that the primary color should make up 60% of a space. The secondary colors should make up 30%, and the remaining 10% should be the color of emphasis. The element of wow. Use accent paint in small areas and statement pieces to avoid vivid and strong colors. The 80-20 guideline states that you should employ more neutrality to balance off the use of strong colors. Aim for an 80-20-20 ratio of bold to neutral. Maintain a fresh perspective. Little sections of accent color can be painted over at any time, which makes it a fantastic way to introduce a brand new color without the permanent commitment. Combine cool and warm colors in your home to create a balanced, constructed aesthetic. Cool colors are more frequently utilized in contemporary interior design, while warm colors are linked to a classic or conventional aesthetic. The ideal places to utilize dramatic color are halls, corridors, and other areas you pass through. Avoid being overly preoccupied. Give your eyes white space in a setting so that they may relax. Steer clear of impulsivity to make sure that an eye-catching piece you come across will match to the pieces you already have at home. Creating a magazine-worthy home requires attention to detail. style, and a sense of cohesiveness. Declutter and organize. Keep surfaces clean and ensure that everything has a designated place. A clean, organized home instantly looks more polished. Play with textures. Combine different textures like velvet throw pillows, leather furniture, wooden accents, and wool throw pillows to add visual interest and warmth to your room. Invest in statement furniture. A few well-chosen pieces, like a sculptural chair or a bold coffee table, can elevate the entire room. Use art to tell a story. Choose art that reflects your personality and adds color or mood to your space. Mix in different mediums like paintings, sculptures, creates a dynamic composition. Add greenery. Incorporate indoor plants to bring life, color, and nature and natural beauty into your home. Use stylish planters that complement your decor. Create a focal point, whether it's a fireplace, a large mirror, or a statement sofa. Ensure every room has a focal point to draw the eye. Like I always say, focus on quality, not quantity. Instead of overcrowding with items, invest in a few high-end quality, well-made pieces that stand the test of time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.